This video will instruct you on how to use the time frame filters for filtering in the Wavecrest CyBlock Cloud solution. So let's first log in. Once we're logged in, we will go to Web Management, Filter Categories, and I'm going to use the default policy for this. So what the time frame filters allow you to do is that they allow you to open up certain time frames by the hour or by 30-minute increments for your users in the particular policy to be able to get out to blocked categories for those times. And this is our icon for the time frame filter here. I'm going to go ahead and open up a new tab, and I know that auction classified is blocked, so if I go to ebay.com it should be blocked as of right now. And we are blocked. We get a blocking message. So if I go back to the auction classified category and I want to apply a new time frame filter, I'm going to click on the clock icon. By default, all blocked categories without a time frame filter or using the default time frame filter have no time frame filters applied to them, so they have nothing opened up, which means that all 24 hours are blocked. A good habit and a recommendation anytime you are editing a policy is to always create a new filter, a new time frame filter, simply because any changes that you make to the default time frame filter policy will apply to all your blocked categories because they are all set to block or set to default to start out with. So you always want to create a new policy when creating a new time frame filter. So I'm going to call this one test. I'm going to block these out. And the current time is 3:43 p.m. so I'm going to enable a time frame filter from 3 to 4 p.m. and this will allow us out to this particular category, which is the auction classified category. And I will make it hourly. There's also a couple other options we've got here. We can apply this to the entire week. We can apply this to all blocked categories, which means that it'll apply the test policy, whichever we set here, to all of your other blocked categories, which is essentially what editing the default time frame filter policy would do. So make sure you are aware of that. So for this example, I'm just going to do a Thursday, because that is today, with a 3 to 4 p.m. time frame filter, and click on Save to save that. I'm going to open this back up to verify that the change has been made and we have a new time frame filter, and it is. And then if I go into our blocked eBay page over here, we should then be allowed out to the site because we're within the time frame filter. And if we refresh this page or enter it back in, we should then get out to eBay. Now I'm going to take the time frame filter off or set it back to the default to show that it will go back to blocking altogether. So let's go ahead and go back to our tab over here and go to the default filter for that category of auction classified and save that and click on submit. As you can see, the policy has been updated. Now when we go back into eBay, we will then be blocked and get a blocking message to show that the time frame filter is then applied to all hours of the day to be blocked. And we go back, and as you can see, we are now again blocked from ebay.com under auction classified. Thank you very much for watching the video on time frame filters for filtering in the CyBlock Cloud solution, and you have a great day.